everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you might as well stay and subscribe, and if you are already subscribed, thank you for tuning in. So today's video, or the series of videos that you guys will be seeing, is me coloring this hair, me creating this unit, and me styling this hair. So I wanted to kind of give you guys some beginner friendly videos on wigs. This is my first time actually creating a full unit. This is a lace closure, so you guys see me doing that. So if you guys want to see how I got this bomb color and about this hair, definitely stay tuned and watch. Okay, so for the last part of this series, or these series of videos, I'm going to be installing my wig. So I have her right here, and I just have flexi rods in her because I wanted to wear her curly, so I've been wearing her straight. So we're gonna get right into the process. I already have my wig cap on, and I'm just going to take some powder and apply that to the part of my wig cap where my part is. So I have that applied, and now I'm going to take the wig off the mannequin head. And she does have 3 clips in her, 1 on each side, as I'll show you now. She has 1 clip in the back, 2 clips on the side. And I'm gonna also put powder on the closure part. That's all I did, was just put a little bit of powder on the part. And now I'm going to unclip the clips and slide this on my head. It's a little harder to get it on with the flexi rod on, but I have it on just about good enough for right now. And I'm just going to take these flexi rods out, and I let these sit overnight. I never flexi rodded this hair, so I actually wanted to see how the hair would do with flexi rods. But so far the hair is holding up. I've had this wig for just probably over like maybe 2 months, and I haven't been wearing it like that because I've been wearing my natural hair out. So I've been wearing it constant for about a week, and I can kind of see where the hair is gonna go already. The only issue I have with this hair is the ends. The ends get really tangled and dry. So that's pretty much it. But if you just cut them off, you won't have that issue. Another thing I had a problem with was the closure. The closure had a bunch of short hairs, and I'll try to insert a picture because I did take a picture and send it to the company and ask them, you know, like, well, what's going on with this? And they basically claim that's how their closures come or whatever. And I'm just like, you know, as a company, you guys need to do better, because I understand the hair is super affordable and you get what you pay for, but at the same time, you want to give people a reason to come by again, like to purchase from you again. So as you guys can see, it's a lot easier to just maneuver once you have the flexi rods out. So she's pretty much on how I want her to be, and I'm just gonna run my fingers through the hair. And I washed her last night, so this is on freshly washed hair, like freshly washed hair. So see, you get a little couple of snags at the ends, but nothing too major. That's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to film an ending, so definitely subscribe and like and comment this video, and comment any other video ideas you guys want to see me do. So bye.